This video will show how to use the new cost and PVR features in TRACC. This will allow you to estimate the cost and number of vehicles required for your services, helping to inform choices about changing, adding or withdrawing routes. The first step is to go to Settings. Here you can set up vehicle costs for different types of vehicles and driver costs at different times of the day and different days of the week. Under Vehicle Costs, you can add a default cost as well as a minimum layover time. This is used to calculate the peak vehicle requirement for the route. To add a new cost, click Add New Cost and give this a name. This allows you to set up different costs for different vehicles, for example, an electric bus versus a diesel bus. Here I will set up the cost as £3.50 per kilometre. Then click Check Cost and click Add. Driver costs can differ depending on the day of the week and time of day. To set up a driver cost, click Add New Cost. Give this a name and then set up the relevant parameters. Click Check Cost and Add. Once you are happy with your costs, click Save. Go to the Public Transport Network tab and select a service. Here you can see the weekly costs for this service, as well as the number of vehicles required. These are calculated based on the timetable and the distance between stops. You can click on the Cost or PVR tab to see this in more detail. This will show you a breakdown of how cost and vehicles required changes throughout the day and on different days of the week. This can be viewed as a chart or as a table, and both of these formats can be exported. You can turn off different days of the week in order to focus on a particular day. You can also change your vehicle type in order to see how this impacts the weekly cost. In this example, you can see that the diesel bus costs more per week than the electric bus. TRACC 2.3 is available as a free upgrade to any existing TRACC clients.